At LG, we're big believers in voice control of our products, and now we've made it even better for 2013. Voice control is simpler to use thanks to the redesigned Magic Remote with improved speech recognition capabilities. Let's try it out. When you push the microphone button, you'll see this assistant, or avatar, pop up on the screen, and you'll see your words registering in this meter. Hold the remote no more than 4 or 5 inches from your face and speak slowly and clearly. Because results come from different sources, your LG Smart TV needs to be connected to the internet for the voice function to work. Show me videos about kayaking. The TV's vocabulary is surprisingly big, so don't be afraid to say everyday search terms. I'd like to see a Tom Cruise movie. YouTube will suggest countless videos, while Web will scour the net in search of a match. Plus, there's an all view that pulls them all together. The voice feature is also useful in other apps that require text input, such as internet search. Also try the voice feature for text-heavy apps, like social media. This can be a real time saver, and it's almost like talking to your friends.